The Map tab is your command center for real-time pet tracking. Tap the map icon in the bottom navigation to see your pet's current location displayed on an interactive map. There are two ways to access live tracking. From the map view, select your pet and tap the Live button at the bottom of the screen. Alternatively, from the pet screen, select your pet and tap on the map view to jump directly into the live tracking screen. Once you're on the live tracking screen, tap the Start Live Tracking button at the bottom. The app will first connect to your tracker over cellular to create a secure connection. Once connected, it will wait for a GPS fix to become available if one isn't already, and then transition to live location streaming. You'll see your pet's location updating in real time, giving you peace of mind wherever they roam. When in live tracking mode, you'll see 4 controls: the Layers button, the Center button to follow your pet's location as they move, the Polyline button to toggle the movement track on or off, and the User Location button to center on your location instead. Live tracking requires an active cellular subscription and is not available over Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connections. Since plan activation requires a Bluetooth connection to your device, make sure your subscription is activated before your pet runs off. You can't activate it after the fact.